Reyes, top up the key for 3, wala. And a rebound. Bounce pass. Kenneth, bigay sa corner. Jump shot, no. And gets that putback. For Team Joffrey. Tabla ulit tayo sa 7. Barte. The guy from elbow 3, no good. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Matimias. 8-8 Teodoro, may taka na bola. 8-8 Hesse, drive, side step. What a nice finger roll. Umaatake na rito si 8-8 Teodoro. Change favor, lamang na ang Joffrey. Ay na running shot at nakabawi ang Team Matimias. Tabla tayo sa 9. Reyes. Setting on the play. Back to Teodoro. From elbow 3. Bam! Sumabay ka ba? 48 Teodoro. Ayan na si Barte. Up and under at nakalusot. At agresibo na. Teodoro naman, babawi. Uy, wala. And a rebound. Makakuha rito ng Matimias. Barte drive and gets the foul. On the free throw area, number 29. Oh, na watch. Basket. Second shot, basket is good for Barte.
Low.
2 for 2. Ayan na.
Coach Benji, dribbling the ball.
Coach Benji.
Jokino, pass to Mario.
Mario! Ayan na, may kasama na ako, si Arabe.
Rocky, music naman. Foul. 14, 10 tomorrow. First now. First, personal foul.
That is first personal foul for Coach Tay Teodoro.
Andor, nasa Ibulos. Sumalaksak. Pasok po sa first.
Coach Homer, kick out.
Tinira, kailangan minasok.
Wala.
Dribbling the ball.
Teodoro, binaga.
Sinasahan sa boy. Sinasahan sa
Teodoro, latag.
Wala foul. Outside, Joffrey ball.
Coach Benji Teodoro, pass to Reyes.
That's Benji. Pass to Tay.
Teodoro, step back. No.
Rebound by Rocky.
Rebound by Rocky. Out that pass.
Ready.
4-3, no good. Rebound by Teodoro, pass to Reyes. Steal by Coach Homer. Homer, derecho, side step, basket. Change favor, balik ang kalamangan sa Matimias. 15-14.
Emerald Matimias.
Teodoro. Stop and pop, no good. Derecho, basket. For Coach Homer. 17. Pass to Coach Homer. Floater, wala. Rebound.
Rebound by Boyong. Pass to Coach Benji. Coach Benji. Pass to Rito.
Kenneth, basket by Kenneth. Reyes. 16-17, 1-point lead for Matimias. Barte, bang! 3.
Sana ka sa itang barangay.
Nakakala sabi yung barangay St. Joseph na eh. Ay, mga barangay St. Joseph.
Nanonood ako, walang buhay kanina eh.
Oo,
Nakain ang gamit sila eh. Nakain.
After first half, Cubs,
ang ating commentator na si Mario Arabi. Coach Arabi. Barangay St. Joseph. Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
4 minutes and 10 seconds remaining.
Remaining time, 4 minutes, 10 seconds. Coach Reggie, pass Roshi. Supply, rebound by Nico, pass to Reggie. Again, pass Reggie, clear the press.
No good. Rebound.
Rebound by Reggie. Pass to Bennett. Bennett.
Wide open shot. Bang! 3-point for Coach Kenneth Reyes. 2019. Running shot. No good. Number 15. Basket again. 22-19. 3-point lead para sa Team Matimias. Coach Benji. Oshi gets a foul.
6-second shot clock. Aiden, leading the board, tumira ng tres. Sagnay. Rebound by Eddie, pass to Androy. Androy.
Parte all the way.
Bennett, sumalaksak, tumira, basket. Official score, 24-21 in favor of Matimias.
Coach Ome. Oh, sorry, that's number 0. Ray Rocky. 26-21.
Aiden, pass to Bolong.
Wala. Rebound.
Rebound by Rocky. Androy, dumidiretso.
Stop and pump. Wala.
Medium pa, ang commentator. Steal by Rocky. Rocky, pass to Bruno.
It's a foul.
Sab. Ilang foul na? Ilang foul na? Ilang foul? Ilang foul na, Luis?
Free throw error number 15.
7. Bolong, second personal foul.
First shot is
Game
good.
time, 2 minutes, 5 seconds.
Second shot by number 15. Wala. Pass to Kenneth.
Pagkala na ng bola. Umikot, sumalaksak. Foul. Foul number 16.
Foul number 16.
Ilan yun? Personal foul.
Reyes shooting for 2.
Third shot basket, right in.
Second shot for Kenneth. Reyes, basket again. 27-23.
Osobe, pinasa kay Brunos. Sumalaksak, pinasa kay Andy. Tumira. Saglay.
Rebound number 8. Wala pa rin.
Saglay pa rin, limang by Rocky. Tumira si Rocky.
Rocky for 3. In and out.
Rocky pa rin. Pass to Brunos, pass to Bingo.
Basket for Bimbo.
Remaining time, 1 minute,
Garcia.
20 seconds.
23-29. Coach Benji Chudoro.
Taytay, pass to Paul.
Stop and pop. Bam! What a long two for Joffrey. 29-25. Coach Homer.
Rocky, pass to Bilbao.
Wow.
Steve Maluma. Coach Benji, pass to Taytay. Taytay, sumaraksak. Ina basket.
Basket count and one.
Number
For
9.
Taytay Chudoro. Grabe naman yan.
First, personal foul. Remaining time, 49 seconds. Basket to
Basket.
Taytay Chudoro.
For a 3-point play. Down by one.
Eddie, pass to Bilbao. Pass to Rocky. In the basket.
Basket count and one for Rocky.
Foul number 8. Second personal foul.
That is second personal foul. Third team foul. One shot for jersey number 9. Wala.
Live, Rocky. 33 seconds remaining.
Kenneth back to Chidoro. Taytay.
Pass to Oshie.
Number 8.
Tulira.
Drive, wala.
Iban kay Rocky. Rocky. Kali pass to Masote. Outside. Dropping ball. Remaining time, 17 seconds.
Last 17 seconds.
Taytay.
Run shot. And here's the foul.
Foul number 16. Limbo, second personal foul.
On the free throw area, number 14, Taytay Chidoro. Last 12 seconds. Chidoro gets the first basket.
Basket. By Taytay.
Second shot miss.
Magaling.
Last 10 seconds. 9,
Last 8
8,
seconds. 5
5.
seconds.
Bimbo drive.
Position score. 33-29 in favor of Martinian.
Okay, end of the first period. Official score 29-33.
Back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game. Ano ba ba?
Pwede mo lang ba yung assistant plate ha?
Ah. Okay, natin yun na yan. Full time na tayo, full time. Back to the ball game, second quarter. 29-33.
Forward to the ball pass to Rubens. Bumagsak, nasa eleven. Forward to the everyone by bottom. Pass to Taytay. Taytay to the ball. Huminto. Nasa Coach Benji. Tumira. Sablay, everyone by ball. Ball, tumira, Sablay. Iban yung ball. Pass kay Boyong. Laban ni Bibo. Rubens. Tumatakot. Pass kay Rocky. Basket.
Basket, easy 2 points. 40 Matimias.
Coach Benji taking the ball. Pass to Paul. Pass to Taytay, tumira. Sablay. Iban ka ng ball. Pass to Rubens.
All the way. finish good.
Time out!
Nadaan sa
Okay.
fast break. Ang team Matinyas.
7:29. Favorite Matinyas.
Time out muna rito. Oh.
Ay, hindi nyo na ano.
Alas same lang eh.
Andoy, Andoy! Andoy! Ay, sa referee, sa referee.
Time out muna rito ang team Joffrey. 29-37.
Hey, comedy time out, comedy time out.
Kailangan na yung tumawag kasi yung kulay.
Comedy time out.
Wala rin daw to eh.
Depende, hati na lang yung premyo mamaya. Di ba, inom din. Sama na lang, di ba kung sabi?
Sa short naman ata sila kakatali sa short. Oo. Halos ka dalawang lana eh, kulay eh, parehas eh. Gray and black eh, black and white. Okay, 8 minutes and 58 seconds, 29-37.
Pass to Domingo. Outside. Matinyas ball. Andoy. Nag-dribble. Sumalaksak. Tumira. Rebound by Boyo. Pass to Taytay. Kevin.
All the way! Ayan na. 37-31.
Lutoy sumalaksak. Tumira. Basket. May Angelo Garcia.
39-31. Balik sa walong lamang.
Taytay sumalaksak. Nasa kay Boyo. Taytay pass.
What a nice ball movement. Basket.
Official score 39-33. Favor of Matinyas. Yung may
Bimo.
pass sa game, pass.
Aliyo!
Basket.
Grabe naman ang Matinyas.
Boyo, pass ulit. Kevin, tumira. Supply, lima by Bimbo. Pass to Rocky, steal by Kevin.
Good.
Kevin, pass to Ben. Steal by Andoy. Save ball.
Out of bounds. Knee ball.
Shot clock, 17 seconds. All Tumiro Andres. Supply. Rebound by Rocky. Rocky, nasa Kevin, may diretso, nasa Adidas. Basket, Ryan Garcia.
By Garcia, 43-33.
Remaining time, 7 minutes. Stop.
Santos coming in and Brooke.
Okay, sumalaksak.
Rodoro, wala.
Iwan Pelosi. Steal by Canzone. Foul, Reyes.
There's a foul by Kenneth Reyes.
First personal foul.
Remaining time, 6 minutes and 43.
Rocky
Andoy.
Kosobe, tumira ng
4-3.
tres.
No.
Rebound by Yoshi.
As Coach Benji.
Outside, go.
Bounce.
Matigas boy.
Pimias Basketball.
Andon, Ibiwan, nasa Domingo, nasa Iraqi, tumira, pass.
Wala.
Rebound by Kosobe.
Coach Homer, miss.
Sablay. Rebound by Iraqi. Basket.
45. 33. Lumalaki naman ang kalaman ng team Matimias.
Official score, 45-33. In favor of Matimias. Oshi tumira. Sablay, rebound by Boyong. Boyong, pass to Coach Benji. Tumira ng tres. Bang!
3 for Coach Benji Chodoro.
Rocky, sumalaksak. Foul by Benji Tidoro. First personal foul. Second team foul. Basket by Rocky. Coach Benji, 3 to the one. Steve Beraki, nasa Ember, sumalaksak. Foul.
Sa foul.
Kenneth, second personal foul.
By Kenneth Reyes. That is second personal foul. On the free throw area, Barte.
Basket is good.
That is good.
Foul,
Wala pa.
basket again. Mariano Zero. Benji, taking the ball. Remaining time, 5 minutes. Pass, play Jun. Pass kay Kenneth. Pass sa Cuenca Boyong, Sablay. Ibang ulit, ibang Domingo. Gonzale, pass kay Ember, sumalaksak. Basket by Ember.
Wala.
Rigid!
Christian.
Pass kay Ember again.
Barte on the way.
Remaining time, 4 minutes, 20 seconds. Coach Benji, 91. Tumira ng tres. Sablay, ibang Domingo. Billboard, nasa ready. Tumira ng tres.
Wide open.
Official score, 36-36. In favor of Matigas.
Kenneth Reyes.
Ed Reyes, 2 points.
Tala.
Lloyd, winning the ball. Nasa ready again. Ready, sumaksak.
Stop and pop. Wala. Rebound number 7.
Boyong, nasa Kenneth, skill by Omer. Nakuha rin ni Kenneth, tumira ng tres. Bang!
56-41. Time out. Barte.
Songer. Pass to Andon, tumira ng tres.
Wala.
Bang! Ibang Domingo.
Bimbo Garcia.
Bimbo. Sorry. Nagagalit na si Tete. Tete, pasok ka na.
Jump shot, oh.
Ibang na Kenneth. Bang! Bang! Benji. Stop.
Tama.
Timeout!
daw dito. Lapit.
Sa mo, si Ricky, maglarin nyo.
Kasi hintay mo na, papasok ko. Hintay mo na. Hintay ka na. Ay, magsabahin time out. Jopre, wala ang time out. Wala na kayong time out. Wala ang time out.
Ayan, no time out. Minute lang.
Back to the ball game.
Map daw, map. Basa po.
Ang padarin eh.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 51 seconds.
Remaining time, 2 minutes, 51 seconds. Nag-aatiyan na kayo ah.
First shot, no good. Second shot for Kenneth Reyes. In and out.
By Kenneth. Iban by Bimbo. Bimbo pass to Randy. Back to Bimbo. Pass to Andoy. Andoy pass to Somer.
Hello?
Wide Iban by Osi. Pass to Coach Benny. Pass to Kenneth. Tumira na tres. Sablay. Iban by Henry. Pass to Bimbo. Henry pass to Burgos. Tumira.
Bam!
Basket.
60-41.
Mario Garcia.
Coach Benji Chidoro.
Coach Benji,
Pass
pinasa
to
kay
Tay-Tay.
Tay-Tay. Pinasa kay Boyong. Boyong, binigay kay Tay-Tay. Pinasa kay Coach Benji.
Fake.
Tumira na tres.
Wala.
Black by Eddie. Pass to Andoy.
Andoy! Basket for
Basket
Marte.
by Andoy. Official score, 62-41. In favor of Atingaz. Tay-Tay. Basket by Boyong.
Leah by Boyong.
Remaining time, 1 minute 35 seconds.
Marte setting on the play.
Andoy, pass to Andy. Pass to Burgos.
And that's a 3 seconds violation. 1 minute and 19 seconds on the game clock.
Tay-Tay, nagbaba ng bola. Pinasa kay Coach Benji. Coach Benji, sumalaksak. Pinasa kay Boyong, tumira. Sablay, tumira kay Coach Soler. Foul.
Foul.
Coach Benji, second personal foul. 14 foul.
Time remaining 1 minute and 5 seconds for our first period, our first half. Matimias basketball.
Hindi dribble. Pinasa kay Bimbo. Kay Bimbo, sumalaksak. Pinasa kay Coach Soler, tumira ng press. Sablay, tumira kay Boyong. Pinasa kay Kenneth. Tay-Tay, diretso sulaksak.
Teodoro, basket.
Basket.
For Tay-Tay, Teodoro.
Remaining time,
Last 37 seconds. 45-62. Barte, wide open shot. No good. Pass to Kenneth. Kenneth Reyes, de discarte. Reyes all the way. 17. Number 15, drop pass. Wala. Tip off, wala. Rebound by Bingo. Oy! Chodoro! Para basket is good. Counted. Rest. Lupos na daw.
2 points lang. 3 points. Gusto mo, 10 points na yun.
Okay.
Official score, 62-49.
Parang tres eh. Parang sa tres tumira eh.
Kumain ng ending.
49-62. Sa pagtatapos ng ating first half.
2 points lang, 2 points lang.
Magkakat mo tayo for the minute. Babalik para sa ating second half.